episode of the Pokedex show. I'm your always been host, Poke Ninja Y. Not X, Y. Not X, Y. Okay, so let's continue. Today's episode is all about Swablu and her amazing evolution form, Ataria. Who also gets a Mega Evolution in Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. So, Swablu is a normal flying type and is Cotton Bird Pokemon, and also it can fly, I think. I think it can fly. I'm just gonna look down here. Yes, it can fly. I was just asking myself, can he fly? Since Charizard can't fly. How come Charger can't Charger? Did I really do? How come come on now. How come Charizard can't fly? He's a flying type. All flying types should fly. Damn it. What he got wings for then? I swear to God, Nintendo. Why you so stupid? I'm sorry. But it evolves into Ataria at level 35, and here goes Ataria. Yay! So Ataria, I hope I'm saying this right, is the humming Pokemon, and is dragon flying. 34, that's 35, if you want to evolve it. I did not tell you how to catch a Swablu. To catch a Swablu, you had to go on Route 21, sorry. On a horde encounter in the catch Arteria, you gotta catch it in the red and purple flowers on Route 21, or level up Swablu until level 35, which would be much easier way if you have rare candies. Let's go check out the Mega Evolution. Evolution is Mega Alakazam, which is the Psy Pokemon. SSI. PSI. Well, this is also, if you actually play Earthbound, you would understand what more about PSI, which is physically magic, which Ness and Lucas have in the game, like PSI, PK, Thunder, PK. But in English it's PK, but if you play Japanese version and they translate it, it would be PSI. To get the Alakazamite, you had to obtain a Reflection Cave between 8 p.m. to before 9 o'clock after entering the Hall of Fame and speaking to the professor in Altalatar City. You shall not pass! Yay! Yay! Well, see you guys next time.